Hello. It's been a while with more of the makeup stuff. I'm really sorry about that. It's been really difficult to sort of motivate myself to do body paint, makeup, any of that sort of stuff. But, you know, it's nearly Halloween, so I gotta do something. And I know this is kind of more of a simple, easy Halloween look, but I wanted to just do something little to get myself back in the gist. And I'm really hoping that I can do a crap ton of Halloween videos for you guys this year, because like, I'm really excited for that. I've got a lot of things planned, just gotta try and figure out if I can actually do them. But I'm really excited, and I hope that you guys enjoy this sort of Purgatory ghost girl look thing. I don't really know what to call it, just kind of had an idea, went with it. It's kind of just an easy Halloween thing. And if you guys have any suggestions for Halloween videos you want to see from me, let me know in the comments, because I would love to do some requests from you guys if you have any. And hopefully I will see you in the not too distant future with another makeup look. But if not, I will see you at some point, whether it's mermaids or makeup. I'll be there, not deserting this channel. And I can't wait to show you guys what else I've got in store. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Starting as always by priming my face. And then I'm using the lightest foundation that I own, but it's not really light enough for what I was wanting. So I ended up using a white eyeliner pencil to sort of highlight but keep it matte, if that makes sense. And that worked really well just to sort of keep my face kind of ghostly. And I just sort of filled in my eyebrows a bit of a greyish brown colour. Didn't really want them to match anything, just wanted them to be a little bit more visible. Powder my entire face because you don't want it to be sticky. For the eyeshadow, I kind of just made it up as I went along. I started with brown in my crease and then a lighter cream colour right on the centre of my eyelid. Sort of just blended them together and, you know, figured out what worked and what didn't work. I ended up bringing this underneath my eyes and creating some sort of bags with some browny grey colour. I took that same browny grey and just contoured, not too heavily but not super light. Wanted it to be visible, but just want to make it look real sickly. I even just put some of that like on my chin and even the same colour around my lips, even though they're ridiculously chapped anyway, so it didn't make much difference. Just added my mascara as I normally would. And I did end up just dragging that underneath my eyes to make it look like Ghost Girl had been crying, and using some water just to thin that down. With just some black water activated paints, I started drawing on all of my tallies. This was, you know, just done randomly. All over the face, ended up putting them on my arms and neck and stuff as well. And I did end up smudging some of them as well, just to make it messy and ghostly and stuff. But you can really do whatever you want with this look. It's very simple and it's very fun. I added just a little bit of eyeliner to define my eyes a little bit more, because they were kind of disappearing. And then I ended up smudging that too, because why not?